What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits, and if you're looking for a way to earn some extra money from your phone, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to be going over 7 ways to make money from your smartphone in 2018. Okay, but before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I put out new content just like this to help you make money from home. Okay, now the first one that you would want to go to here is an app called Feature Points. And Feature Points is pretty simple, guys. What you're going to be doing with this app is basically getting rewarded to install apps on your phone, and you just install the app. You'll leave it on your phone for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and uninstall it. Once you've installed that app, you'll receive points, and those points you can go ahead and redeem them for cash. Okay. You can also redeem them for gift cards also, but most of us, we like cash, so we're going to redeem them for our PayPal gift card. All right. Now, it's pretty simple. Like I said, you're just basically downloading apps. You're installing the apps, and you're basically seeing how it works. You probably play a game or two on there, and then you can go ahead and uninstall it. So, Feature Points, they work with other apps where basically they just get people to try out new apps that's out, and this is the best way to do it by getting you paid for it. They have you try the app, and if you like it, you can also keep the app on your phone and be able to use it. So it's a pretty much a win-win deal for both sides here with this one. All right. When you want to get started, you just go to the website here. You're gonna click on the Android, getting out for Android or getting out for iPhone, and you can go ahead and install the app to your phone. And then once it's installed to your phone, you can start installing other apps that's on the screen here. You install the app. As you can see, it shows how many points you'll get for installing the app. And once you've installed the app and used it for a few minutes, you can go and uninstall it and you receive those points. Okay, so those points will accumulate, and then once they accumulate, you can go ahead and cash them out and get paid for them. Okay, these are the different gift cards that you can use, like Amazon, iTunes, PayPal, Xbox, but of course we want to use PayPal because we definitely want to get paid. Okay, all right, so it's pretty easy. Also, you do get paid for referring your friends. You earn unlimited points every time your friends earn points, and when they refer people too, you get paid off of that also. All right. Now the next app is called Ibotta, and Ibotta, basically you're gonna get paid for shopping. So every time you go shopping, you just scan your receipt, you get paid. Basically, you get cash back from it. So you're gonna go to the store, you're gonna go ahead and shop as usual. You scan the receipts, and then you're going to get paid for it. As you can see, this is how much they've paid out so far in cashback rewards, and it keeps rising. All right, so you get real cash, works almost everywhere, and then you earn more with friends. So you can also refer people also. All right, so you want to go ahead and download the app, and then from there you're going to see all the stores you can go visit. Once you go visit these stores, you shop as usual, and you get cash back for shopping basically. With Cash Pirate, this one here, you're basically going to get paid to do surveys, paid to watch videos, and also you will get paid for trying out free apps too. You'll try out apps, and then you also can get paid for that also. The way it works is just like Feature Points. You're gonna basically do your surveys or try out the apps, or you're gonna just watch videos. So once you do those things, you're gonna receive coins for that. And the coins, you can go ahead and redeem them for cash. Okay, so this is just a basic example of what you can redeem these coins for. All right, and once you redeem them, you'll go ahead and get paid. You can get paid with PayPal. You can do Amazon gift card, Google Play, all these different gift cards. So it's a pretty simple way to get paid with this company here. This Cash Pirate works mostly for Android. If you want to use it for the iPhone, you're going to download the app called Gift Panda. And Gift Panda is just the same. You're going to get paid for doing pretty much the same. Okay, so Android users going to do Cash Pirate. iPhone users going to use Gift Panda app. Now the next app is called Easyshift. And with Easyshift, you're basically getting paid to shop, eat, and explore in your own city. All right, you can download the Android app here and the iPhone app. Okay, so basically what it is that you're gonna go anywhere you go, you just basically earning cash back for for shopping, eating, that kind of stuff. And it's also kind of like a auditing type of position also, basically. So you can go, it's like a mystery shopping type of position also. So you can go shopping, whatever, eating, and you just basically report back what you found, and you get paid for that also. You'll be taking photos of products, checking prices, and review promotions. Okay, so if you guys love shopping, this one here is definitely for you. You definitely can get paid for it. They are available only in the US and UK right now. Okay, so most payments are sent 48 hours after approval. Set up PayPal once and we'll take care of the rest. Over here it says start today, no application or experience necessary. Okay, so you just get the app and you get started today. All right. The next one here is called Observer. And Observer is basically kind of like an auditing type of position here. So you're going to use your app. You're going to install the app on your phone. You're going to go ahead and put up the jobs on the app, different jobs in your city. And they may tell you to go to the nearest Walmart to basically observe their products on the shelf. Make sure everything is stocked up correctly. And you'll go ahead and go to Walmart. You'll take a picture and then you can send that back to them. And once you send it back to them, they'll go ahead and send out your payment. So the steps are here. Basically, you'll download the app, create an account. You'll choose your observation on the map. You choose where you want to go. Once you've gotten there, you'll complete the observation. And it also says here you have 2 hours to complete it. If you do not submit your observation within that time frame, you will have to start over. So you do have a little time frame to complete this observation. After submitting your observation, our system will review your findings. Once your observation is validated, we'll make a payment to your PayPal account. So once they see that everything is clear, they can see a clear picture of their shelf. They see everything is in good, everything that you sent to them. They're going to go ahead and pay you out in PayPal. It says they can pay within the hour, but it can take up to 48 hours also. Okay. So you definitely want to go ahead and come here to the website. It's called observernow.com, and you will go ahead and download the apps and get started. Okay. Or you can just go on Google Play or the App Store and look up Observer, and you'll be able to download the app from there. Okay. This next one here is a personal favorite of mine. It's called App Karma. And with App Karma, you're going to basically get paid to play with apps, basically. So you're going to download apps. You're going to play with them for just a little bit. And you can uninstall it. But if I was you, I would basically keep the apps on my phone, because you do get extra bonus for just keeping the apps. So you'll download the app. You'll earn points for doing that. You'll play with the apps, you'll earn some more points. And if you keep it on your phone, you'll earn extra bonus every time you go back to the app and decide that you want to play some more. You'll get some extra bonuses for that. So those extra bonuses, you can use them to cash out and get paid. Okay. So this app is actually one of the best ones here because of that, because you can keep the apps like it says here. It says simply keep the apps that you are rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonus. So I mean, that's pretty cool, guys. So you can definitely come here to the website and click Get App Karma, and you'll be able to download the app and you'll be on your way to getting started. The next app is called Grab Points. And with Grab Points, you're basically going to be rewarded for watching TV, answering surveys, completing offers, and downloading apps. Okay, so this is one of those feature point type of things here. Okay, so you'll be doing pretty much the same thing and you will be getting rewarded for it. All right, so basically advertisers pay Grab Points for engagements. Okay, so we recruit members like you. You do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. And you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. All right, so these are the different rewards. And personal favorite, PayPal, is here, so you'll be using this to get paid. All right, so these are the different testimonials of members that join and they are getting paid. This is like the latest testimonials. As you can see, this says September 18th here, so that was yesterday. And these are the latest testimonials. So you can come here, take a look at them. They have a whole bunch of them here, so you can read them and see for yourself how good this app here is. But this is another favorite of mine. You do get paid pretty well with Grab Points, so you definitely want to go ahead and come to the website, sign up. You'll join us for free and be able to download your app and get started. Okay. All right, guys, I definitely wanted to bring this 7 ways for you to get paid with your smartphone. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them below. If there's any video that you would like me to any topic that you would like me to cover, definitely leave that in the comment section. I will be responding. And also, guys, make sure if you enjoy the content, guys, please like the video. Become self-made today and stay blessed.